welcome back to Deep Sleep English, the podcast where you learn English naturally while listening to real conversation.
Yes, please, and subscribe to Deep Sleep English. When you subscribe, you help us make more and more podcasts for you.
And share this. If you have a friend who wants to speak English fast, send this episode to them. It helps everyone. Hey, Jake. How are you today?
Hey, Mia. I'm good. I'm a little tired, but good. How about you?
I'm good too. I slept well last night, so I feel nice today. Oh, by the way, I'm Mia.
And I'm Jake. Nice to meet everyone watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching us today. So, Jake, what did you do this morning?
Let me think. Oh, I woke up around 7. I made some coffee. Then I just sat on my couch and listened to music.
Oh, that sounds relaxing. What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music in the morning, nothing loud. Maybe pop music or acoustic songs.
Yeah, same. I can't listen to loud music in the morning. My brain is still sleeping.
Exactly. My brain needs time to wake up. So, what about you? What did you do this morning?
Well, I woke up a little late. I rushed a bit. I made tea, not coffee. Then I checked my phone too much.
Yeah. Phones are dangerous in the morning.
Very dangerous. But after that, I went for a short walk. Just 10 minutes. It helps me feel calm.
That's nice. I should do that more.
You know, listens, then smiles. That walk is kind of my hobby.
Oh, really? Walking is your hobby?
Yeah, I think so. It's simple, but I like it.
That's cool. So today we're talking about hobbies and free time, right?
Yes, talking about hobbies and free time. Something everyone has or wants.
True. Sometimes I feel like I don't have enough free time.
Same. But when I do, I try to enjoy it.
So, Mia, what hobbies do you have?
Let me think. Okay, I like walking, I like reading books, and I really like watching movies.
Oh, nice. What kind of books do you read?
I like easy books, nothing too hard. I like stories about life and people.
Like novels?
Yes, novels. Sometimes love stories, sometimes sad stories. I like stories that make me feel something.
I get that. I don't read a lot, but when I do, I like short books.
That's okay. Not everyone likes reading.
Yeah, my hobbies are a bit different.
Tell me.
Okay, I like playing video games, I like cooking, and I like watching YouTube.
Watching YouTube is a hobby now?
Yes, I think so. I learn things and relax.
True. What games do you play?
Simple games, nothing too hard. Games where I can relax after work.
That's important. Free time should feel good, not stressful.
Exactly. Personal story, cooking hobby.
You know, you said you like cooking. That's interesting. When did you start cooking?
I started cooking when I lived alone because I was tired of eating fast food.
Oh, yeah. Fast food gets boring.
And unhealthy. So I started with simple things, eggs, pasta, rice.
That's how everyone starts.
Yeah, one time I tried to cook chicken. I burned it.
Oh, no.
It was really bad, black on the outside, raw on the inside.
That's terrible.
I know, but now I'm better. Not perfect, but better.
That's great. Cooking is a useful hobby.
Yeah, and it makes me feel proud.
So, when do you usually have free time?
Mostly in the evening, after work. Maybe around 7 or 8.
Same. Evenings are my free time too.
What do you usually do in the evening?
I like quiet evenings. I make dinner, I watch a movie, sometimes I call my family.
That sounds nice. I usually play games or cook something new.
Do you like busy weekends or quiet weekends?
Good question. I like a mix. Saturday can be busy. Sunday should be calm.
Oh, yes. Sunday is for resting.
Exactly.
Do you ever feel bored in your free time?
Sometimes I sit on the couch and think, I don't know what to do.
Me too. I open Netflix, then close it. Open it again, close it again.
Yes, too many choices.
That's modern life.
Sometimes doing nothing is okay.
I agree. Doing nothing is also a hobby. Smiles.
You know, free time helps me feel like myself again.
Yeah, me too. When life is busy, hobbies help us breathe.
That's a good way to say it.
Thanks. Smiles.
Talking about past and childhood hobbies. What hobbies did you have as a child?
Oh, I liked drawing. I drew all the time.
Are you still drawing now?
Not really, but sometimes I want to start again.
You should. It's never too late.
True. What about you?
I liked riding my bike. I rode it every day.
That sounds fun.
It was. No phone, no stress, just riding. Simple hobby.
Simple advice for beginners. You know, if someone is learning English, talking about hobbies is very helpful.
Yes, it's easy, it's personal.
And everyone has something they like.
Even sleeping.
Yes, sleeping is a hobby for many people. Smiles. Thanks for a moment. Jake, can I ask you something?
Of course. What's up?
Do you think hobbies can change over time?
Yes, I really think so.
Do you think that?
Well, when I was younger, I liked very active things, sports, running, being outside all day.
And now?
Now I like calm things more, cooking, watching videos, just sitting and relaxing.
That makes sense. Life changes, so hobbies change too.
Exactly. What about you?
I think I'm the same. When I was younger, I wanted exciting hobbies. Now I want peaceful ones.
Peace is very important. Talking about time problems.
Do you ever feel guilty, like you should be doing something useful instead of your hobby?
Oh, yes, all the time.
Me too. Sometimes I'm watching a movie and I think, I should be cleaning.
Yes, that voice in your head.
Exactly. But hobbies are useful too.
They help our mental health
Yes, they help us relax.
and feel happy. Light humor moment.
What hobby do you wish you had?
Oh, I wish I could play guitar.
Really?
Yes, but every time I try, my fingers hurt.
That's normal.
I tried for 1 week, then I quit.
1 week is still good.
Is it though?
Yes, at least you tried.
Asking simple questions, good for learners. You know, these questions are good English practice.
Oh, yes. Like,
What is your hobby?
when do you do it?
Why do you like it?
Very simple questions. Very useful.
And easy to remember.
Emotional, relatable moment. Sometimes when I feel sad or stressed,
Yeah?
my hobbies help me feel okay again.
Me too. Cooking helps me forget my problems.
That's beautiful.
It's like therapy, but cheaper.
Yes, much cheaper.
Talking about doing hobbies together. Do you like doing hobbies alone or with people?
Both.
Same.
Sometimes I want to be alone, sometimes I want company.
Like watching a movie with friends.
Or walking with someone and talking.
Talking makes the hobby better.
Yes, like now.
Encouragement for beginners. If you are learning English,
Try talking about your hobbies.
use simple words.
You don't need perfect grammar.
Just speak.
Slowly.
And naturally. Soft, natural ending extended.
Jake, I'm happy we talked about this today.
Me too. It feels warm.
Like a calm Sunday afternoon.